What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some fried pizza rolls. And I know what you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, what the hell are you smoking tonight? Well, come with me and I'll show you. I might even share a little bit, so come on, boy. That's right, I said it. Fried pizza rolls, sir. Now, you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, you're gonna fry a pizza roll? You damn right, buddy. And you know, everybody's had pizza rolls at one time or another. Me, myself, I have some fond memories of pizza rolls because, you know, not only is it what, you know, nowadays the new generation calls a struggle meal, which to me it never was. It's always been beautiful, baby. But me and my brother, boy, we used to load up on them things, boy. It'd be summertime, we was out of school, we're sitting there playing Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2, and we would munch down on them pizza rolls. And that was good times, boy, good times. Kind of like Johnny Paycheck used to say, take me back to the good old days. And that's what we're gonna do tonight with a little twist to make it fancy. Because you know, when you come in and you're tired, and you don't really feel like cooking shit, but you're like, man, I don't really just want some old regular old pizza rolls, do I? No, you can flavor it up like we gonna do tonight. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, I went ahead and got some oil in this pan, and you wanna put your oil in pretty deep. Now, I'll put a lid on there to help it kind of get hot faster, but you can do whatever you wanna do. So, we will go ahead and take off the lid and get our pizza rolls. Now, these pizza rolls are frozen, baby. They're just like Foreigner. They're cold as ice. So, you don't want them thawed out, baby, because if you do, they're going to fall apart on you and they're going to be nasty as hell. And you don't want that shit. So, but be careful because oil and water don't mix and there's going to be a little bit of popping grease in there and you might have to do some kung fu fighting. So, let's go ahead and dump these in there gently. Gently! If we can, I need to widen the gap. So, let's get in here. Good stuff. And you can hear them sizzle, baby. And it actually already smells pretty damn good. Now, because these are pizza rolls, and they're, you know, not necessarily pre-cooked, but I mean, they kind of are. They're not going to take very long, baby. I mean, I would say maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You really want to watch them, baby, because you don't want the good stuff that's on the inside coming out. It's kind of like when you write a poem and you keep it to yourself. You want the good stuff inside. So, we're gonna fry these up, and about the time that we get done here, I want you to transfer them over and drain the grease off, of course. I would say leave a little bit of grease because we're gonna do a couple other things later, but no, sir, because we've got some special butter that I'm gonna show you here in a minute. So, go ahead and get these fried, and then take them out and lay them to the side, and by the time you're done with that, we'll be ready to come back, and we will finish these things up, and we'll be damn near done. And we'll have something good to eat. And we can go on about our night and have a drinky winky. What do you say? Sounds good to me. Alright, baby. Our pizza rolls are as fried as Cheech and Chong at a Willie Nelson concert. So, let's go ahead and take them. And we're going to put them in this big bowl. Now, the next thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and take our butter. Now today, I've got some special butter that I've went ahead and melted down. And this is Kerrygold. And it's some garlic and herb butter. And you know I like that herb. But the Kerrygold, it came from a little leprechaun across the way and he gave it to me. Actually, I got it at the Walmart. So, I went ahead and melted that shit. And let's put that in there first. And what that's going to do is let everything else that we got in here stick to it, baby, like glue, like Elmer's, sir. So, we got that. Let's go ahead and add our parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna go pretty damn heavy on it, sir, because I like the cheese. Like old Chucky. So, now, let's get some parsley flakes. And you know, you can cut up some fresh parsley if you want to, but you know me, and you know what I'm gonna say, so say it with me. I ain't got time for that shit. So, let's go ahead and put our parsley down in there too. And I'm going to be pretty liberal with that because I want it good. So, once we get everything in there, and this is something I've always wanted to do that I've never got to do. You know, I've been cooking a long damn time, baby, and I can't remember one time that I ever mixed something like this. So, I want to be like old Emerald's ass. Bam! And just spin it around. It's a lot of fun, baby. Spin it around, you spin me right round, baby, right round. Ooh, and that smell, baby. It just makes you want to go, woo, like Ric Flair's ass. So, now that we've got this done, we'll get a little side of this marinara sauce that I got also in the can because you know me. Get that for this shit. So, we're going to get that and we're going to take a look and a big old smell because it smells beautiful at these wonderful fried pizza rolls. Sir, come on, look at this stuff. You won't believe it. Alright, baby, the time has come. The fried pizza rolls are done. And I'm having the first bite. Guess who I'm having it for? This big fella right here. Big sexy with glasses. So, we're going to dip a little bit in our marinara. Just extra sauce, because I love extra sauce, baby. Oh my God. You know, it's crazy how just a few simple things you can take and it's going to turn something that came out of the frozen aisle that kind of, it's like a snack you give to the kids and just make it gourmet, baby. Beautiful stuff. So, that's damn good. It makes me want to sing. Mamma mia, here I go again. Oh, oh, I cannot resist you because you're good. Love you. And I love all of you and want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time and get the hell out so I can have some more of these because they're all mine. You're not getting any more. You've had your taste and now you gotta go. Go make your own. I showed you how. Get out of here. Leave me be. My God.